Yung mga yumayabang, nawawalan ng paggalang dahil kaya nila, doon lang sila nakakapanalamin, nakikita nila what is real about them. So don't let power corrupt you. Don't let authority, don't let success, don't let celebrity destroy your godly image. The more responsible you should be when you are a person of responsibility. At dahil merong repercussion sa mga nanonood sa atin ang mga ginagawa natin, mas mainam na mas mataas ang ranggo mo, mas tama ang kilos. Mas tama ang ginagawa sa buhay dahil pinamamarisan tayo ng iba. Sabi nga nila, people need help at the beginning and at the end. Pag nasa gitna ka na medyo independent ka na, kaya mo na, nakakalimutan mo na that you got there because some people helped you. But you must remember that if you should fall, when you go down, you will still need help.